We are just putting in the cilantro, garlic mixed with oil and putting in a half can. Here comes the pork. And we're just gonna put that all together. It's more than cilantro in there. I'm just not sure what exactly is in there, but oh, it's like brine radish, sweet radish. Oh no, that's brine sweet radish here. With some palm sugar. But as she's sauteing it, we are gonna watch. And she's adding in some salt for flavoring. As it's cooking, we're just sauteing it. And here comes the palm oil. Oh, palm sugar, sorry. As it's sizzling. Just want you guys to see that. So she's sauteing the palm sugar with the pork and mixture of the ingredients. And this is fermented radish, sweet radish. That is an essential ingredient in this dessert, Thai dessert. It gives it the crunchy, sweet tasting aspects of the dish. Well, as we are waiting for the tapioca balls to get soaked, we are making the meatballs. I guess that what goes in the tapioca balls, and so that's what we're doing. She's making into like little balls, I guess. I guess that's what you're supposed to do, because really the dessert is not even the size of a golf ball, but it's smaller than that. And but yeah, I guess the size that she's making is perfect, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be delicious. Can't wait for you guys to try it with me. So once the tapioca beads or balls are saturated, she's gonna be filling it or stuffing it with the pork balls that we've already prepared. So what you guys see in this pan here is our banana leaves that is laced with pandan leaf oil and oil, just to make it smell good. So as she's doing it, that's how it looks. She's pretty much making it like a meatball, but with the pork balls that we've pre-made, and what we're going to be doing with it is steaming it. And with the steaming method is gonna create this cooking method that this dessert is how this dessert is gonna be made. So yeah. Hope you guys are learning something new as I am. I've never seen this made, but I love this dessert. And this is how it's made. So here is a batch that we already made, and we are in the process of steaming it. This is our steaming pot, I guess. And as you can see the steam, we are steaming it, and we will see what the end product is. Guys, we are about to take out the newly made fresh Saku stuffed pork. This is what it looks like. And I know it tastes real good. And this, my friends, is Saku stuffed pork.